Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a product that's actually been getting a lot of buzz lately, the Lumiheat heater, right? With the cold season coming up, portable heaters like this are in high demand, but not every product out there actually lives up to the hype, guys. So, is Lumiheat a legit way to stay warm, or is it just another scam? Hmm? Let's dive in and find out. First, let's talk about what Lumiheat claims to offer, right? According to the product website, Lumiheat is a compact, energy efficient, portable heater. It's marketed as a quick solution for heating up small spaces, and they emphasize how convenient it is to use at home or in the office, right? The device is advertised as both powerful and energy saving with features like, adjustable temperature settings and overheat protection and a timer, right? For anyone who needs a quick heating solution without breaking the bank, this sounds ideal. But as with many online products, there's more to look into beyond the marketing, guys. So Lumiheat is let's look at first the product design and features, right? So Lumiheat is compact, which does make it seem for a good option for easy portability. The design is sleek and they promote it as being easy to use. Just plug it into an outlet, set the temperature, and you're good to go. The idea of being able to carry it around or even use it in a small room or office is appealing. However, guys, it's actually worth noting that most compact heaters with similar wattage won't effectively heat larger areas, even if they actually claim to. Okay, it's best for small rooms or as a supplementary heat source, but it's unlikely to replace a traditional heater for a whole room comfort, right? Now, guys, let's look at some red flags. Let's look at some red flags, guys, okay? When it comes to products like Lumiheat, okay, it's crucial to check customer reviews and do some background research on the company. A common issue with products like these is a lack of transparency about who actually manufactures or distributes them. In some cases, it can be tough to find legitimate reviews on trusted platforms. Instead, reviews might be limited to the official website, which can be biased. A quick online search, guys, shows mixed, okay, mixed reviews on this product, okay? Some users say it works for small spaces, while others mention issues like poor heating performance and challenges with customer support, right? Another factor to consider is the pricing, right? It is the pricing because, look, Lumiheat is actually priced higher than many similar products. And many products on the market, and some customers have reported shipping delays and issues with returns or refunds, which could be a red flag if you need to return the item or get in touch with customer service. Many buyers actually feel that for the price, they should receive a higher quality product or at least, more reliable support. So let's break down, some pros and cons. Like on the pro side, Lumiheat is a convenient size, portable, easy to use. It might work well if you're looking for a compact heater to warm up a small space or, add some extra warmth to an area. But on the cons side, we have mixed customer feedback, potential issues with heating power, and some concerns with customer service. Plus, guys, the higher price point doesn't necessarily guarantee better performance than the more affordable alternatives, guys. All right. In conclusion, I would say while Lumiheat might work as a supplement heater, it's worth approaching with caution. There are legitimate space heaters out there that offer similar features at a better value, and they come from well established brands. So if you're still interested, guys, consider starting with one unit to test it out. But if you're looking for reliable warmth all winter long, you might want to explore other trusted options with stronger reviews and customer support, guys. And that's our honest take on Lumiheat heater. I hope, guys, this video helped you make a informed decision, more informed decision. And if you actually tried Lumiheat, let us know your experience in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and guys, make sure you hit that notification bell for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching.